Change is happening faster than ever. With our work, with our families, it feels like everything around us is in hyperdrive. And guess what? We can't slow it down. But what we can slow down are our reactions and the way we show up in the world around us. I'm Renee. I'm a health and well-being coach. I work primarily with executives. And today I'm going to walk you through a simple 5-step method that I've created called R.E.S.E.T. It is designed to help you steady your mind, call on your energy, and refocus so that you can lead with clarity no matter what kind of crazy is swirling around you. So the first word in R.E.S.E.T is, well, it's an R. And with the R, we want to recognize. And what this is all about mindful awareness. And when we are in this R phase, what we do is we notice. We notice what drains us. We notice what builds us up and gives us energy. We notice what sustains us. And this, my friends, is the first line of defense against burnout. So try this. At the end of the day, do a quick energy audit. Jot down 2 things that fueled you and 2 things that drained you. Patterns are going to quickly emerge, and from there you can take action. Which brings us to E, exhale, literally. Breathe. The inhales will come naturally. The exhales sometimes need to be a little more intentional. However, this grounding force is something that you carry with you, and this can become your superpower. So here's something to try. It's called box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Exhale for 4. Your breath is your best reset button. The third step, the S, is steady. Bring your mind and your body back into alignment. Get grounded. Use a mantra. Use some kind of tool that you know will ground you. This can literally mean going outside, grounding. It can be noticing the chair underneath you. But what you're doing is you're calling on calm for support. Steady. The next E is energize. Do something that brings you back into focus. This can be a small micro action. Stretch, take a sip of water, drink some electrolytes, step outside, even if it's cold. Energy doesn't just happen, but we create it. And these micro actions can really propel us forward. And next, and finally, we have T, transform. Now that you've reset, lead from that centered space. This switches you out of victim and into creator. When you're in this place, you'll respond instead of react. Creating clarity for yourself first will allow you to make those changes that can truly change the world. So as you know, you can't control the pace of change, but you can reset yourself within it. I hope that this resonates, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more weekly tips about lifestyle, fitness, and how to show up like your best self in the world, whether on retreat or in your daily life. See you next time.